Kulkarni and I am from Bangalore, and I have completed a Bachelor's of Engineering in 2024 in Information Science and Engineering, and I have been an incubation student in the PySpiders where I have been selected in my college, and here I have took a course of Python full stack where I have been trainer of Ranjita ma'am, Krishna sir and Rajesh sir, and I like to thank Harsha ma'am for giving me this opportunity where I have been skilled up with the Python, Django and SQL in this organization, and I have been going through many presentations and mock interviews which were conducted in the organization, and I have also attended the Niranjan sir's mock interview for the Python, and also have been gained a star rating for the Python and SQL as well. And in the interview experience coming to, and I have been attended the 2 rounds of the interviews round where I have been going through the Python and also the aptitude round where I have been cleared for those, and I have been selected as a designation of a Technical Apprentice with a package of 3 LPA per year, and I'll thank PySpiders organization which have given me this opportunity.